Hello everyone and welcome back to Z Interactive Premium Tutorial. So in this lesson on the side handles, the pickup handles of this television set, we will create some texture like a bump or you can say a noise so it look more like plasticky. So on these two sides we will create the the bump. It will be with a Berlin noise or any kind of noise you can make it. So we'll start with that. So you can see that the sides are there, but just to make it look like more plasticky, because to break up the light, we will add some noise there. So what I will do here is that I will just increase the frame and add a blend node. And the blend node here, I will change it to add, then later on we can change it to anything we want, because with the copy it doesn't show anything. So now what I will do, I will take this handles node from the previous one that we created, and I will create a level mode from here, and I will make it completely solid, just like this. So a little bit of adjustment I needed. So I think this will work. What I will do here is that I will put a blur HQ here to reduce the size of it. Okay, I will up the quality, reduce the intensity of it. Something around 0.2. And I will adjust it again. Mainly it needs on the outside area, because I don't worry about the inside part, the part which is you can see the black gradient, because that will be inside the pickup handle, so it won't show. But let's do one thing here. Let's remove the blur. I don't think the blur, we need blur here, so there's no need for blur. Now I will take the output and create a blend and use add over here so it shows everything, and then what I will do here is that I will add a shape and I will scale it down a bit and add a transform to it, and I will put it in the foreground so it will cover that the gradient part. Usually if you don't want, you don't have to do this. I'm just doing it for the safe side so I can have everything white, because that black part, that gradient part will be inside, it won't show too much, so it doesn't matter. But for the safe side I'm just adding it, and I need it on the other side too. So what I will do, I will add here a mirror grayscale, and I will offset it to something around 0.48, so same value I used before. And now I will add a comment over here, and I will type here handles opacity mask. Okay. And what I will do is that I'll just make it a little bit bigger, the frame itself, so it can have more room. and I will add the output to the opacity here, so it will only affect this area, it won't affect any other area. Okay, you can notice that this opacity mask is 8-bit, so later on you can change it to 16-bit. So now I will add the foreground here, and you can see the foreground is only affecting the opacity mask. So I'm just adjusting this value here of opacity of this Berlin noise. I will use save transform here to increase the dial even more. So even more smaller, because I need tiny bit of the, let me increase a little bit more here, maybe 25 or even more. Just I need tiny bits of bumps. Okay, it is 100 right now. So I will add levels here. I'll reduce the intensity of this. You can see that the handle is a bit like coming off, so I have to reduce it so the handles go back to its original place. Okay, so you can see we have this like a subtle effect of bumpiness over there, not too strong. Let's reduce it a little bit more to 0.05. Have it on both sides, and you can see these lines here. These are because of the handle's opacity mask is 8-bit. So once you like change it to 16-bit, it will be removed. But we'll do that later on. First, let's put this effect. So later on we will increase that. So don't worry about this. So I hope you have learned something in this like tutorial. So you can do different kind of changes over there, like settings. You can do that there. So thanks a lot for joining this lesson and thanks a lot for becoming the member of my premium plan. So I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then please leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that and you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscribers. I will take off now, and take care guys till we meet in the next lesson. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.